With new types of devices growing to help business transformation, like endpoints, tablets, IoT, and BYOD devices, enterprise network edges also need to evolve to provide better user experience for internal access and WAN edges with diverse application access. Reality is, businesses today run on apps, and increasingly, apps run in the cloud, or in that other cloud. Whether private cloud, public cloud, or SaaS, businesses use a mix of cloud infrastructures and technologies, which is constantly changing, adding apps or clouds, removing apps and changing clouds. And as network edges enable direct internet access for faster application access, it's imperative to ensure security, connectivity, and visibility over all of this, for whatever's still on-premise and whatever's in whatever cloud. And as cloud application adoption is increasing, network edges have to be smart to make sure devices can access applications efficiently. This is where Fortinet has the unique approach of security-driven networking, with all edges running best-of-breed SD-WAN with NGFW in a single offering. Fortinet enables these distributed edges to have faster access to cloud applications, improving user experience without compromising security posture, while also simplifying ever-expanding operational and infrastructure footprints. Dynamic cloud security from Fortinet is also imperative to provide the confidence to deploy any application on any cloud without compromising security. With Fortinet, users can connect securely no matter where they are, where the app is, or what devices they're using, while IT and network teams can rapidly address application owners' needs and support business velocity. Whatever apps a business needs and wherever those apps need to run, what's needed most is a smarter WAN edge, one employing secure SD-WAN and dynamic cloud security. With Fortinet, you get both, which means you get end-to-end performance and security-driven networking, all in one place.